Hello everyone, waving hand. Today we're going to learn one of the most powerful tools in Adobe Illustrator, the Shape Builder tool. If you want to design faster and smarter, this tool will save you a lot of time. First, select your shapes. Make sure they overlap. Then press Shift+M to activate the Shape Builder tool. Now let's talk about the four main modes. Small blue diamond merge mode. This is the default mode. Click and drag across shapes to combine them into one single shape. Perfect for logos and icons. Small blue diamond extract mode. Click on any section to separate it from the rest. Very useful for creating custom parts inside complex shapes. Small blue diamond eraser mode. Hold Alt or Option on Mac and click on any area you want to delete. Fast and clean removal without extra steps. Small blue diamond create mode. Combine or subtract overlapping areas to create totally new shapes. This gives you full creative control. Light bulb. And if you want a simple explanation about the Pathfinder panel, go back to my previous video where I explained it step by step. The Shape Builder tool is more interactive and intuitive, so practice with simple shapes first, then move to complex designs. And that's it. Now you're ready to build shapes like a pro.